Hello guys, this lecture is the CWI Part A sample question explanation lecture. Today we're gonna go over two questions, sample questions, and number one is ER70S-6 is a filler wire for A, B, C, D. The correct answer is B because this designation of the filometer ER70S the 6 is the GMAW or GTAW designation. The evidential reference is here. This is welding inspection technology from AWS. And the page number was, before I go to the page, here is the table of contents. And probably this practice or when the inspectors or metal joining and the cutting process. The GTAW and GMAW should be chapter 2 or 3, page number 46 here. Oh, actually it is chapter 3. So it says the designation of the ERXXS-X is GMAW, Electrode Identification System. But actually this can be GMAW, but also can be GTAW. But here in the sample question, we only have GMAW, not GTAWs. The correct answer is GMAW. So the answer is here, GMAW. Question number 2 and 3. This is, I just crossed this out. Welder's safety PPE R is Welder's safety PPE. PPE stands for personal, I forgot, protective equipment or protective personal equipment or whatever. Anyway, personal safety equipment are, we have 5 choices: welding helmet, leather gloves, apron, safety boot, all of the above. Probably the correct answer could be E, all of the above. So the evidential reference is, again, in the welding inspection technology. Go to chapter 2, safety section. This guy is wearing welding helmet, safety glasses and welding gloves and thick heavy jeans, and probably he is wearing the welding boot. So the correct answer is welding helmet, yes. Leather gloves, yes. Apron, yes. Safety boots, yes. So the possible answer, not the possible, the correct answer is all of the above. But remember, these days in the CWI Part A exam, there are only 4 options, 4 choices, not the 5 choices. So you have the answer options of this or of the above. You're not gonna have this kind of answer. So you pick just the right answer from these 4 choices. But anyway, the right answer is all of the above, these 4. Okay, gonna stop here today. Later I'm gonna upload more questions. See you next lecture.